Hey guys, welcome to How to Survive Dynamic Modeling of Cities. In this video we want to look at creating audio waveforms in After Effects. So the first thing we have to do is download and install Creative Cloud, Creative Cloud, and then After Effects and Premiere Pro, because we want to create the spectrum on After Effects and then apply it into Premiere Pro. So the first thing we have to do is select the desired audio clip. So close this. Anyway, so we have, we're going to reuse the Bohemian Rhapsody clip that we used for another video. You can see here, it's got its audio, and speaking of its audio, I might turn it down to maybe -20. And then we have the MP3 file standalone that we've just used the converter for. So what we want to start off with is, open this back up, is adding a adjustment layer, and maybe we can set it to 60 frames a second. You can drag that here and across, and then this is where the audio spectrum is going to go. So we now can go right click it and go replace with After Effects composition, and this is when you would use this MP3 file. So as we let that load up, we can see that we're going to soon apply settings to achieve look after we've made the spectrum file. So we just name it AE for After Effects. We have the adjustment layer there, so now we can just drag and drop this music file in, and then this has to go down here. Delete that, and then the next thing we have to do is go to Layer, New, and add a solid layer. It goes there, and then you can say it's grey. So now we want to add the effect, and the effect is audio spectrum. But there is also the is it spectrum? Oh, yeah, there's also a waveform one now which I can show you, but we'll just drag and drop this here. And so now, if I hide this layer, it just hides those lines. So you'll see that when I scroll through here, there's nothing that pops up. So we want to do audio layer and make sure the source is actually Bohemian Rhapsody. So now you can see it starts to move a bit. Should I quickly play? It just has to render in. It's very loud, so sorry if that here is a bit. But what we can do is maybe make might mute this layer so we can play it without our ears blowing off. So maybe the start frequency, end band, height, all of this stuff is to achieve the aesthetic look that we would like. Also the color, so I think probably white is the cleanest color to go for. Band is how many lines are right here, so I would do maybe 200, looks a bit nicer. Maybe also the thickness of these bands, I think making them a bit thicker, you can get more out of them, so maybe 8. That's probably too much, but I could turn this down to now 100. Let's go leave that at 4. Softness, you go 10%, so it's a lot sharper. And yeah, we just make this what we like. Of course, I'm going to turn up the maximum height to maybe 900. No, do it more. We'll do it 1000. Oh, let's do 900. Ah, this is the wrong one. This is like, this audio duration is you have to play around with what it does, but you see, like, as you move this, if you change the duration and the offset, right now it's 90, if we make it 80, like 5, it becomes one big curve, which is also something that looks kind of cool, but it's I definitely like it when it's higher. So if it's back to 80, and let's go back on this layer. The last thing you can do is you can pick top or bottom layers, like side A or side B. I might just do side A, and we'll get that height up to 1400. Yeah, and then if you started this at 1, you could have the really high band at the start, and this could be 5,000, and it'd be very small here, so 2,000 is not a bad spot to start it at. Even I might go less, might go 1,000, so it looks nice and wavy, and this will match with the song and the audio of the file. So now we can just go ahead and save this, and you've already saved it somewhere. So if we alt tab back to here, you can see that this is actually right smack bang in the middle of the Premiere profile. So now we can select this layer. You can put it on an angle. If we hold shift, it should keep it straight, and we can maybe make it disappear into the wall. This is all stuff you can do with transforming, pretty sure. If you add a transform and just move it, but this is something that I usually do in Premiere Pro anyway. How much time do I have? 6 minutes. Quickly, just to show you that what the other audio modifier looks like. If I hide this layer, type in audio waveform, I just put it over the top of this layer actually. So do waveform. Oh no, sorry, you have to make sure you select. Yep.